The furnace bare is a thing that forms on the flue. The salamander happens when the hearth fails. It's a different failure mode in a different part of the furnace, but the net result is a big globule of iron. There are 11 salamanders in the Blackberry River downstream of the Beckley site. We extracted 2 of them to show people what they look like that are rather different from one another. The crucible masonry fails from the pressure of the liquid and it just bursts out. It's like breaking a swimming pool. Just out it goes, except instead of water, it's molten iron. Both of the salamanders there weigh around 10 tons. The one on exhibit closest to the furnace has like a tongue sticking out on it, and that is evidence of where the masonry first failed. Where that protrusion is where the bricks gave way first, and then it just went around like a zipper. And you can kind of see that when you look at it. And if you look up underneath the object, you'll see the masonry stuck to it from the furnace hearth. The second salamander is almost a perfect circle, but it has like a tire around it. So you can see that the whole thing just burst out in one move. Boom! And it didn't get as big either. It was contained, I guess, by probably the water jacket, we don't know. But something contained that one. It's not as large as the one with the tongue on it. And the ones in the river more resemble the first one with the tongue on it, which indicates that maybe there was a place in the structure of the furnace that was prone to fail. When Beckley was restored in 1996, we uncovered a partial rebuild. So the bottom of the furnace with the hearth area and that little ring of brick with the notch in it, that's a find. We didn't build that, we found that. So it was nice because it gave us a clue as to how big the hearth was and whatnot. The crucible portion, which is what was rebuilt, is 48 inches in diameter. And if you look at those, neither of those salamanders is anywhere near that. They are much larger than 48 inches. And so that tells you that the masonry was just shoved out of the way.